Hello and welcome to Beyond the Pavement, the show dedicated to exploring the beauty of outdoors and hopefully inspiring you to venture out yourself. I'm Kyle Martin Greer, your host, and today we're at a 1 mile loop at the Betty B. Deering Trail located off of Mulholland Drive in Los Angeles, California. So, where's that?
So just listen and get with me, baby. 'Cause if you want me, baby, yeah.
And today we'll have a special guest on the show, my friend Ksenia from Russia, who's going to help me translate all these videos in Russian for me. So thanks, Ksenia.
And I got you, so leave him in the past, and we can just carry on. Baby, just carry on.
What?
Над асфальтом.
Над асфальтом.
Good.
Yeah.
You're
Yeah.
there.
Над асфальтом. Is that right?
Close it up.
Just promise me, baby. I know that pain's been a friend through the years. Let me erase him along with the tears forever. You know you smile so much more than I'm near. Since I'm waiting, 'cause you already know. 'Cause if you want me, baby, like I want you, baby, yeah. You got me, baby, and I got you, so leave him in the past, and we can just carry on. Baby, just carry on. Let's carry on. You don't have to tell me now, just promise me, baby. We can
So you go almost a half a mile. It's 0.46 miles down the trail, and you'll hit this bamboo wall on your right. So once you hit that bamboo wall, you look to your left, and you can find where the trail continues.
let's carry on.
All right, so we've come down the hill as far as we can go, and the trail's going to take us back up the hill, which is a challenge, but there's all these wonderful trees over you that give you shade and cool you off as you're working hard back up. So here we go. Ksenia just pointed out it's pretty intense, so just know that. The trees eventually go away, and the sun is beating back down on you, and the hill is pretty steep, but it's a great workout.
Now you're sad. Lucky for me that I want what he had. So just listen and get with me, baby. 'Cause if you want me, baby.
So once you get about halfway up the hill, it's 0.56 miles since we scanned. You'll get to this nice little bench with this tree. Get a little time to cool off and get to check out this view.
And I got you, so leave him in the past, and we can just carry on. Baby, just carry on. Let's carry on. You don't have to tell me now, just promise me, baby.
It's about 0.67 miles. Get to this little creek and cool off. But we're ready to go. You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Gotta finish this thing, get some lunch. Yeah!
Along with the tears forever. You know you smile so much more than I need. Since I'm waiting.
Back to the parking lot. And there's a lot of zigzags, what they call switchbacks in the path. That way, it's not as steep when you go up. So, almost 1 mile from the first fork in the road, we find ourselves where we began. Ta-da!
We did it.
Yeah, we did it. Now it's time to go get some lunch. Thank you for joining me on today's episode of Beyond the Pavement. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Make sure you stay connected on Twitter and Instagram at GetOutThereBTP and subscribe to this channel so you never miss an adventure. Until then, make sure you drink a lot of water and get out there beyond the pavement.